Hey friends, welcome to our Utsuk YouTube channel. This is our part 9 video tutorial on Java programming. In this video tutorial, we're gonna cover about the while loop in Java. As in previous video, we have already covered about the for loop. So in this video, we're gonna cover about the while loop. So let's move to the content. While loop. While loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is not fixed, it is recommended to use while loop. So basically it is same as the condition for the for loop, but if we don't know the fixed iteration or we don't know the fixed number, then we use while loop. So this is the basic syntax of the while loop. Here is the condition, and if the condition is satisfied, then the code inside the while block is executed. And if the condition is not satisfied or the condition is false, then after that it will come out of the while loop block. So let's see the flowchart for the while loop. So here's the condition. If the condition is true, then certain statements are executed, and again the condition is satisfied, then it will run till the condition is satisfied. Otherwise, if the condition is false, then it will come out of the while loop and execute the remaining code of block. In order to understand the practically, so let's move to the NetBeans IDE. Open up your NetBeans IDE. So let's create a project. Next, practice _ 08. Let's remove this. Let's rename our class name while loop. So let's begin the while loop. So let's initialize one variable as I equals to 0, and let's create one while condition as I is less than equals to 10. Do something like inside while loop, and I'm going to increment the value of I, and if we move out of the while loop, then print simply outside of while loop. So let's run this program. As it's giving me while loop for 11 times, as I have done here less than equals, and after the execution of the while loop, it comes out of the while block and executes outside of the while loop. So in this way we can use while loop. I hope that you have understood the while loop syntax and how to execute the while loop. And generally the while loop is used whenever we don't have the fixed condition and we don't know the exact value for the increment, as this one would not be the suitable example for you to understand the while loop. But in next upcoming videos, whenever we move to the intermediate part of the Java, we will discuss about the swing and JDBC, and at that time we need while loop, as in that JDBC we need to fetch out all the records of the database using the while loop, and at that time we don't have the fixed number for the increment. So in that case we use the while loop concept. So don't worry if you don't understand the actual use of while loop in this session, but in the upcoming session we're gonna understand the while loop in a better way. In next video tutorial we're gonna cover about the do while loop. So we will meet you in our next lecture video. Till then, goodbye.